Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June the 18th, 2025, and these are the seedlings and my plants that I had put in for my dahlias when I did a little short video when I showed you how to transplant them. So this is how much these have actually grown since I did that video, and I made a mistake when I planted these. I should have put down landscaper's fabric. As it's raining, you can see all of this potting mix is splashing up onto my plants and onto the flowers. So I am going to have to fix that and put some landscaper's fabric down. And that is one of the advantages of the landscaper's fabric, is that when it rains, especially when it rains really heavy, which we have been getting rain, and it's been really heavy at times, it splashes all of your soil up, it splashes it up onto the flowers, and that's not something that I wanted. So I am going to have to fix that. The other advantage is you can see these weeds are trying to come back, and the landscaper's fabric would have took care of those as well. Now, I don't think last year I had an issue with the soil splashing up, but last year we really didn't get that much rain. We were actually trucking in over 900 gallons of water per day to keep our stuff watered. This year it's completely opposite. We have been getting so much rain, and it's just not working with the soil splashing up on everything. So it is something that I am going to have to fix. So I just wanted to show you what's going on with these, how they're growing, show you that they did start blooming. The flowers on these are beautiful, even though they're little dwarf ones. The flowers on them are still gorgeous. Here's a beautiful white one over here. So I do have a lot of videos on my channel for growing dahlias that you can check out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell us to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!